Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Mazda CX-5, stock number 6270. This ran from the 2nd 2012 to the 12th 2016. It has a CH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a CH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mad flat tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag bull tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 19-inch factory alloy mad bare tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,